Mercy, I me say mercy. Please me a ball, me a beg on no mercy. I am crying for mercy. I said hallelujah, I said mercy. Marcia bawling for mercy. She a beg on no fi have some mercy. Lord Jesus, people. Boy, I couldn't do that video before I drink another bowl of that porridge. You know what kind of porridge is, people? No phone my skin up on the face when me talk. But me nah go no much details. When I run go over life is a mission TV on YouTube and go look from start to finish. You know what kind of porridge is? Jackfruit. You know the big fruit there? One night time then say Marcia if you have a jackfruit belly. And the same jackfruit boil a porridge. See it? Lord. Including green plantain, peanut, and oats. And the second bowl this me a drink from there. Me not eat no other food from there. Cause you plan to boil this. Yeah man. You have to strengthen the root, you know. If you bring forth youth. But me not really want no more youth. But me still have to strengthen the root. Because you don't know, so you have to have the root strengthened and strong. Because it have to perform its duty, you know. When it go a war, you understand it fail you. So you still have to strengthen the root. Alright. When I say it, jackfruit, peanut, oats and green plantain. Run go over Life is a Mission channel. When you don't see that video your morning, within another 2 hours I will be releasing it over there. At about 12 o'clock. Because when I go see that video somewhere between 8 to 9 o'clock. Then now, by 12 o'clock, when you see me release the video, you can go check it out. Try it. Very delicious. And I can tell you, jackfruit is a very good fruit. You know how I learned this? From George Edward Philip Siaga, former Prime Minister of Jamaica. And if you look it up, you can see jackfruit can do many things than just your cut and heat. And it's very good of health benefits also. Alright? So let's check out the porridge, man. Bad man. But me not tell you now me do it or nothing. I'm going to support the channel over there. Life is a Mission TV. On YouTube, my backup channel. And you see all of them something there. And whole heap of more things. Anyway, Marcia come out here and beg for mercy. So before me get into the video, you know what they do? Like, share, subscribe. If you're not subscribed to this channel yet, please to subscribe. And if you have not yet subscribed to the backup channel, I'm just talk about Life is a Mission TV on YouTube. Go ahead and hit the subscription button now. Alright? And follow me on TikTok. Life is a Mission TV. Favorited Life is a Mission TV. But most of all, if you even want to follow me on favorited, because favorited was just standby if TikTok whatsoever, although things still not start out yet. But follow me on TikTok because I'm working over TikTok right now. I don't work over favorite yet. You understand? But me work off TikTok now. No one miss the no little nothing we are going over there. So go follow me over there. I remember you ask sorry to get it. The cash up in the comment section. When you give me, use the gift give back to the needy. $ Charms and Trends. And there's a other way you can also assist for me to assist the needy and not the greedy. Run over to the website of charmsandtrend.shop and purchase one of my t-shirts. If you even want none of the cap, then purchase one of my t-shirts. Una talk about una love, una love. So una show for una love. Eh? Una love me if you come out here come call my friend Donald Trump and my Queen Elizabeth and you understand that una love me for. But una not support. Panda level there where me can give back to the needy and not the greedy. Oh, big up yourself, my Florida subscriber. Just see the message come in if you paying for your t-shirt. Bless up yourself. Peace out to all who support me one way or the other anyway. But you're not going to support the merge, man. Let me soon do one video send come give me when I look my soon at the big Speak Me Mind merge. So easy. Our life is a mission. Do they do? You understand? Yeah, man. So there's so many ways you can support. And you can check out the Instagram page. Charmed_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you want to see over there, you want to get it customized. Even in a Speak Me Mind merge. If you want anything customized, just drop in the DM for further information. Or anything you say you want to right away off of the website, just go straight to the website. Charmsandtrend.shop. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Just support, man. We not talk about people who are give back, you know, not to support people who want to see a give back. Every day when they get up and support the millionaire. And the millionaire not busy with nobody. You understand? And we the same sufferer go through the sufferation and the tribulation and the hungry. We know what it is like, willing. They want to help somebody who are go through the same thing where we have passed through and know what it feel like. Alright? But you know, look, we're spending the money with the billionaires, the big name people them. You understand? The lead, this and the chi, this and the ching, that and the song and the, yeah. Alright. Anyway, in another video, your people. Hey, me tell you, you want to give me ratings, you know. I mean, I beg it. So, I want to give me still. Me tell you, say, Marcia never there in Jamaica. She come out about she there in Jamaica for 2 weeks. Frighten, she want to frighten the people like she come to serve papers. Me tell you, say, Marcia never get no fire. Frighten, she frighten the people for people ease the pressure off her. I did told you. Marcia in a this, I expose all of that while breaking down and I beg for mercy at the same time. Oh no, listen, me not go no further. Oh no, listen for yourself.
I want to make it clear, and my boss, I think she's watching right now.
Our boss, alright?
I think my boss is watching.
I feel like I'm going to drink to come up porridge, but I don't want to buff up my belly. Because when you drink your porridge, you drink water enough. But it's delicious, people. Try it. But check out the channel and try the porridge. Life is a Mission TV on YouTube. 12 o'clock the video released tomorrow.
There is a lady that sent an email to my workplace on Monday.
Your workplace.
I am letting you guys
Your
know
workplace.
that every email that is sent to the facility are to send
Here she said, our workplace.
My boss is aware of everything that is going on.
And she said, our boss. What that tell her say?
Everything that is going on.
Not our farmer boss or our farmer workplace, you know. Our workplace and our boss.
Reporting everything that you guys have been doing. To check up to see whatever is true or whatever is lying. Let me make it clear. And
Marcia, what if we out there know say you're a liar? A lot of we out there know say you're a liar. But me know even more people are going to know say you're a liar who listen to that video. Yeah. And even the highlight and the point out when me go point out, people are going to know say you're a liar who never believe or know say you're a liar. So there's nothing you can come out here come talk when nobody are going to believe you. Just make us see the action. Because all the way you talk about Marcia, we could have told you long before say you tell lie. Because there is no substance towards what you are say. Where you can have a court case against anybody at all. You understand? You will be only wasting your money. Me hear you talk about something about law, if the woman a country thing she get it, but me I wait till they reach this so. Because all them something they may have the highlight for all the way you chat this so. So me I gonna make people see say you're a liar. Who might not understand the situation, how things operate, how things run, me they have to highlight you. With your lie them where you tell.
all the people that send
I'm gonna put on my
email
dish and
are
get the water.
continuing to
I
send-
soon be back.
to send email, and my boss is watching. I am going to get a lawyer. And my boss tell me to get a lawyer ASAP. And you guys that are sending in malicious letters to the facility for something that you cannot prove. And this is called harassment and bullying. You understand? This is called harassment and
Alright,
bullying.
stop. Stick up in there. Harassment and bullying. What should just say a while ago? She's going to get a lawyer. You know, listen keenly. And her boss tell her to get a lawyer. I'm going to take a red ink pen and write down a little part of note there. She's going to get a lawyer and her boss tell her to get a lawyer. Remember, we'll soon get back to it. Just write down the part there.
This is unfair. You guys have been trying to take away my bread for the past 2 years now.
Lynn,
So I'm going to let you
boy, I know somebody a quote, but me and them is not like that. So me can't ask them to carry it up. I have to ask
That
some of
is
them
what
and
I
know
want to
like
say.
that
You
to carry
will
it
be
up.
hearing
The rest
because
of them are sitting here
it
white
don't
something.
make no
Next thing they're gonna
sense.
feel like a something else.
It don't make no sense at all. You're sending an email when I'm not even no longer
She reach breakdown stage now. Now listen to the
working
voice. Listen to the voice are change. The breakdown
at that
stage are come.
time, or I'm no longer making any live video in the house. So why is it that you are still sending an email and I'm no longer doing live videos in the apartment? That is my thing. Why are you sending email to the facility that you cannot prove?
Alright. Why the people them keep sending emails to the facility when you're no longer doing live video in the house? Is it this the place you say you get fire from? You come out and say you get fire. So all you gonna say you no longer do live video in the place. So why them still keep sending email? If so be the case and them still sending email and you really get fire, what you concerned about that? What you concerned about that? Make them go and send it and don't get fire already. Them wish no come true. Now you come out a big and bold and say them get them wish. So oh no, you're still concerned about them sending email. And you are no longer doing live video in the place. So oh you say you get fire. Come tell the people them no man. Be a liar telling them. And then expose yourself, you know. Alright. So we'll get to the liar part.
You cannot prove any form of abuse of my clients. And I'm letting you guys know, each and every one of you will be hearing from my lawyer. If I have to withdraw every red penny out of my bank account, you will be
We have
hearing
heard
from
that
my
already.
lawyer. You people need to stop it and leave me alone.
Mercy! Mercy me a ball for. But me just don't want to come out here come beg for the mercy. Me just a ball for you.
Crime and violence take place in the world because of people like you. It's only the Jamaicans that are on social media behaving like that. Stop the bullying.
Because a Jamaican alone you watch. You want to see the African them.
This is like no joke. You know what it is to put abuse on somebody's name and you don't have no significant evidence other than hearing me telling him to pull up in the bed?
It's not what you say, though. You say it.
And he needs to go to bed? You call that abuse? You calling me giving him tea bag and just because I said I'm going to put 2 tea bag in there that I can get some too, you're calling that abuse when it's my boss who ordered the tea bag? You tell me that now. What kind of rubbish is that? I should not be addressing this situation on my birthday, but it have to be addressed. Stop it! You cannot prove it because there's no such thing as abusing my client in the house. I have been on that job over 6 months, and my client likes me, and I like him too. Leave me the hell
The
alone.
job where she should lose, you know. Me tell you, no. She just did want the crowd ease off her pressure bus pipe.
If you people want to see me eating a garbage can, it's not going to happen.
Nobody don't care about you.
It will never
You care about
happen.
nobody?
It's all about
You saw it feel? I wonder if you saw it feel. When such woman never did even look at you much as to talk about you. And you're living at the woman's skin night and day. You talk about her physicalness. You describe her in all kind of different manner. You talk about her product. You talk all kind of things. Everything should do trouble you. Everything should do you talk about it. Night and day you live in her skin. She couldn't even breathe. You talk about her. This is how it feels. This is how it feels Don't dish out hot rice, give people and force them to eat it and you know it hot. But when your time come to eat the hot rice, you have to, but wait, make me cool it now, wait, make you cool what? Whole hot rice and scotch up your tongue. Make it come white like tea, girl one. But wait, a Mercy, you come out here ball for woman. Go find yourself one corner and sit down in and shed your tears. Me tell the people them say you hurt inside. They must watch you outside or you skin up your teeth and laugh like everything is okay. And you admit that in this video also. Because me and Wally for the other people them out here, we no idiot. We know you just put on a face over the camera. You understand? But we know you're hurt inside. All you come out here and say you're nice and you're happy and you live your best life and this and whatsoever. We know the pain we you feel inside. You understand? But you have nobody to be blamed but yourself. Because it's what you dish out here you're getting back. You should have think about everybody on one level as a human being. The people them we really talk about out here, them not robot. Such woman is not a robot, you know. The same vein, skin, flesh and bone. And the red substance they will run through you. And it run through she. And other people. So how now come and go and like say uno alone make up out of skin, flesh and bone. With the liquid run through no. Everybody else a robot. So uno alone have feelings. The same knife will stick goat, stick sheep. And now the pressure is on upon you. You make it look like you are this saint out here in social media. You make it look like you're not trouble nobody in a social media. And people just keep coming at you for no reason.
To the business and leave my job alone. This is ridiculous. Are you willing to come and testify in court?
Yes,
Do you
man.
have evidence?
Yes, man. Them
Can
ready.
you tell my client and go on a witness stand and ask him, remember now,
The people them ready.
he can speak for himself. I am working with an intelligent man. Very, very intelligent. He can speak for himself. So what are you going to prove? You're not speaking to somebody who is incompetent of not speaking. He can speak for himself. He's a very intelligent man. If they have Alzheimer's, he can speak. So what are you going to prove? Leave my job alone
Leave my job alone.
and go about your business. You people have been doing this for years, long time now. Same thing you did in New York City. Leave me alone. Because you people want me to come out here and beg. I'm not begging. I'm not a beggar. I have 32 years of nursing experience. I am not a beggar.
A beggar says she's not a beggar. If in a this video your Marcia come out a beggar through a word. Oh, not even super chat them with a gear and she want some super chat and she want this and she want that. Because all the enemy them give a super chat for her birthday and one bag of sitting. Up to in a this video Marcia begging, you know. But here still she's not a beggar. And from me know Marcia until now Marcia beg. Marcia, one of the most memorable one that me have. Me can't forget one Christmas, must 3-4 years ago. Marcia come out here and beg supporters to buy her balloon for blow put in her house. Can you imagine that? A foreign Marcia live. Not even Jamaica, somebody that beg a pack of balloon and they say somebody with it and I beg them a pack. But if you beg them money for buy it, for decorate your house. And you're going to say you're not beg a Marcia? You're going to expose yourself further down when you come and beg.
I'm not going to come out here and beg you people to buy
I want she have a lawyer already. Her boss says she will get one and she will get one. But you know soon here.
Ridiculous. Go about your business. You people are being very jealous and bad mind.
People, Marcia said she da Jamaica, you know. Last week, must be Wednesday or Thursday, she said she da Jamaica. And she had that Jamaica for 2 weeks because she lose her job. America, Marcia there. And in her vehicle, she there do that video, yeah. The old vehicle where she say limited edition. It's the only probably one in the state where she there, she say. Yo! Tell you, Marcia, I frighten you, I try frighten the people. You want the people them to start run up and down with their Jamaica. But run up and down from who? You? You, Marcia? For what? Eh? What kind of case you have against us? Because I put myself in it in the car. You say you have to come serve me to me. I don't know where you have to serve me. If I cease and desist, if I check letter, check summons, check means summons, or I don't know if I lawsuit, I don't know where so I put myself in it too. But I never did I run, Marcia. Pass the station night and day. And almost every police knows which part I live. Away from the new one they may come now.
Very true. What is the problem?
See there,
Because
our van she in a
and I'm looking too
Marcia
happy.
not left Jamaica,
I'm
left foreign
always
come on to
happy. It
Jamaica.
doesn't matter what in my life, I'm always happy. What happened?
But
Because
after
I come
her
out here
birthday, she
always
will be
dressed
flying
and
down
looking nice.
immediately for the
I don't
woman
tell
of
you people
country.
not to go buy
She no
clothes
get way.
and
But yet
fix
say
up
that
yourself.
Jamaica she did
My
that.
makeup only costs $9. My lipstick, it comes from the ear shop. $2.99 for my lipstick. My makeup only costs $9 in CVS.
So you're trying to justify that the people them jealous of you because of how you put yourself together. You know, stop them from put themselves together. But at the same time, what you say is that it not cost much to put yourself together. Because your lipstick cost this $2, that, this, that, or not. Ray. But yet still when you come out here, you make it look like you're that expensive. You make it look like everything when you have on is name brand where you pay how much thousands of dollars for. So it's surprising. Now you come out here and say your lipstick gonna cost $2.99. Your this cost $1 that. Your this cost $3 that. And $4 that and $9 that. It's surprising. Because you always make it look like you're all up in the rank of having expensive thing using. I just since we can cost one woman or our bed cheap. Eh? So all you come out here now, I try to justify your looks. Say it not that expensive, so where them a grudge you for, where them a jealous of you for, and you stop them from put themselves together. And justifying that the things them where you use is very cheap things. But the woman buy her bed and you tell her say cheap. And you don't have a bed.
My lipstick is $2.99 from the ear shop. What? I'm not the one who tell you not to put on a selfie. I'm not the one who tell you people not to have a good heart. So when you take your picture, you don't look nice. Leave me alone. What do you want to see me? Eat out of garbage? It will never work. Every day, you people come on the page. Homeless. So what if I'm homeless? Am I coming to your house? No. Am I the only person that does living job? No. I'm not the only person that's on social media who is a public figure that does living job. Most of them have living job. That are
You're not the only person, but you're the worst person.
Some of us don't work in the hospital or the nursing home.
Not the only,
So
but
what are
the
you
worst.
talking about? So what if I'm doing a living job? It's not my place. Don't you see I go home? I go home. When I want to go to a hotel or a motel or a holiday inn, or wherever I want to go, I go home. It's not my place. I'm working. How many of you guys do living job? Why
No. What is wrong with it is that you're worthless. If you live in America so long and depend on living job to live somewhere because you don't want a responsibility. You make so much money and instead you go look according to you, you have made so much money, God has blessed you so much after that crusade. And you make money and you couldn't go look somewhere rent. You prefer go do 2-3 weeks worth of training to get back documents up to date. If you go look living job. Because you don't want winter catch your road again like last year. You know, say you're worthless. And that's something wrong with. It's not the living job. It's you not having a fixed address, a fixed place of a board. You don't have that. If tomorrow morning you're supposed to lose this living job, is a motel or a hotel you're going to live in for a couple of days. You can't let that job down, go lay your head comfortable and have a nice rest. For a woman who is soon 65. Oh, yesterday today your birthday, 65 years old. But you reduce that from 13 years. You take 13 years off of the 65 and say you're 52. But whether or not at this age, you should can go relax in your place. Whether on your day off, night off, or your week off. And you don't have nowhere to go relax. That is the problem. It's not the live-in job is the problem. Remember, you have retired, you know. And because you don't want a responsibility, you know. And what happened last year to you in a winter, you know. You can't afford for that happen to you again, you know. You claim to say God bless you, the crusade you make a money. I don't know if I dash money give you, or the pastor collect the collection and just pull it and give you back. That you could have money and give away, but you can't go rent one place. Oh, sorry. I forgot to them say reading against your name. But you can't find somebody out of your top and nearest friend that you have behind closed door couldn't stand surety for you. That you have to go do a 2 weeks course or a 3 weeks course to get back some documentation that you can go do some home care job because the one you have expired how long? For how much years you turn your back against the job for a young at a tender age where you could have continued to do it just to sit down and collect other people who is even older than you and working them shut off in America. You sit down and collect taxpayers' money. So don't come out here and make it look like say it's because you are the home care work. No. It's a non-ambitious person behind it.
Well, you will never see me looking crazy. Oh, I'm not supposed to. Oh, so I'm not supposed to fix up myself. I'm supposed to look in any kind of hour, right? Any kind of hour I'm supposed to be looking. You're going to get it. You people go about your business. You Jamaicans are the worst.
That's why we don't want you come keep the birthday party, but you keep this a birthday, don't you? Where? It's the America.
Any problems?
You're not welcome here.
They are making their contents and making their money. Nobody is out here creating any issues. What is your problem? You people are very lonely and desperate. Go get a life. I am not afraid of none of you. You could write a million letter. I'm not backing down. Because at the end of the day, I know I'm not an abuser. You will never see me come on social media and beg any one of you for any money to buy food or to put me up in your place.
Cause shame face and
business and leave me alone.
I don't want to say the word. Shame face I go get the better of you. shame face, I'll get the better. You remember, you know? You say if you didn't know, say the pastor, you want the money so much. But after you get the money and find out, say you claim to say the pastor and mix up and to give this person money and that. If you didn't know that you only take it, shame face, so that make you not take it, you know. But because you don't know and you're in need of it so much, you see what you do? You take it. So for you not to take it, if you didn't know, say, you might give X woman a country money and Mr. Love money and whosoever else money, you only take it because of shame face. So you not coming out here and begging anybody food or shelter, money for buy food or get shelter. It's shame face make you not do that because you're in need of it.
You're fighting a losing battle that you cannot win with me. And I'm not hiding. I am not hiding. That is my workplace and I'm not hiding. And I take care of my client very well and he likes me. I am not hiding.
My heart.
Because I don't do
My
nothing
have to
wrong.
put sitting in your heart.
Leave my job alone.
Leave your job where you don't have. You know say you get fired.
What do you take this thing for?
No, last week you say you get fired, lady. What kind of job you talk
Leave
about?
my job alone. Look how long I make report. Huh?
And you
Look
can't
how
lose
long
the
I
job.
make report.
But you come out, you come say you lose it.
Oh!
Oh! So when you see somebody tell her she never get no fire.
Alright. I don't believe it in no form of way that the woman that you had get with. The only reason why she not get served it is because my lawyer is dealing with circus court right now. The higher court, the more the court, the way it costs more money. My one is a social media something. So don't believe that. I forget about.
Move! See the part of me want to talk you know when me tell you about the lawyer. Marcia, who you try to fool? You don't have no lawyer. Remember you just saying you know, earlier on, you know. Your boss say if you are going to get a lawyer. Plus you say your boss say if you get a lawyer. So all of a sudden now the only reason why she not get served is because circuit court, bigger court, your lawyer if you deal with bigger cases. No case no bigger no case. For your lawyer take your money if you come represent you. We understand it might have probably more urgent assignment. But if you miss any farmer lawyer, big lawyer, recognized lawyer, he must have some junior lawyer behind him. Every recognized lawyer have junior lawyer that them sent to represent them on certain things. So for instance, you come hire me as a big lawyer to come defend your traffic court. Me not have to go. The only time me I go end up going to traffic court now, you know, people, is if the case get too sticky. And it need me with the years of service and experience, where probably like a junior lawyer can't handle. Then no, me represent, because the junior lawyer we represent presently, I work for me. I represent me in the court. So when Marcia come out here talk, like she think people are idiots and don't know how law and justice run and think it run in a Jamaica. If me can't speak for America, me can't speak for Jamaica. It not need your lawyer to go serve no paper. You understand? Your lawyer must have some junior lawyer, plus it not need the lawyer himself to go serve it. Him can organize and get a bailiff to go serve it. Him not have to definitely step up and serve nothing. Him get an higher bailiff. Them type of man they work in a courts where serve summons and serve notices and them something there. Yes. That's all him have to do. So you make it look like say boy him have to physically there serving it. No man say you can't tell nobody nothing. You're not no friggin' lawyer in Jamaica, you're too lie. No lawyer you don't have here. So you can't fool nobody. Earlier on you say you go and get a lawyer because your boss say if you get a lawyer. No, you have to say you have a lawyer. But the only way you don't serve the woman in a country is because the lawyer have more bigger engagement at circuit court. Where? Who you tell that? So if him have 5 cases in one day and all him want is a junior lawyer to go represent and ask the judge for a new court date, how am I going to do that? Lawyer have all 3-4 cases of court in a one day and them use their junior lawyer to represent them. Some man say no come out here come tell nobody that. You can't frighten nobody. Me tell you, say be a lie, you come out here tell you know. Because you want to use these things to frighten people, to ease the pressure off of you, but the people them need long in your neck. Pressure bust pipe and phone pipe for bust. And make the water spray out, man. Like you can't fool nobody out here. Well, you can't frighten nobody.
She will be in court with me. Because she's the one that started all of this. She's the one that has been stalking me, screenshotting me for the past few years, slandering my business with Roach, and she
Take time with your heart.
Me in New York City, and she come and she telling, and she bringing up people out here again. Don't believe it. As soon as my party is over, I am flying out to Jamaica.
So you know that Jamaica? You could have fooled me.
May I ask you?
1 week not gone out of the 2 week yet.
As soon as my party is over, I am flying out to Jamaica.
1 week not gone out of the 2 week yet. You fly back? Oh, them call you back for the job. Oh. Them call her back to the work so she fly up back.
Job or no job. She's not getting away with it. With the slandering and bullying of my name. That is all I'm going to say. Don't waste your time to send no more email because it's not working.
Ball your ball for the people that ease up off of you. Well, just beg the people them man gently and stop pretending. Mercy, you come out here beg. Go ahead. Beg it gently.
Give them to my attorney tomorrow.
Attorney, what you saying now?
So if you want to take it up, you will find. And if you have fake email, your stuff is not valid. Concern aid. What kind of concern about what? I've been working with him for over 6 months. What kind of concern are you concerned about what? Listen to me. I don't care. Me, I tell them, let them know. I don't want to hear nothing from the body right now. I'm telling you guys.
Run them out of your comment, yes?
It don't make a damn difference if I say I'm telling them. I am giving up my word.
Run them out of your comment because them not support you and them not defend you.
About it? More than them face the consequence of it if they keep on lying, if they keep on interfering with me. What is the sense of writing stuff when there's no proof? What is the sense? You know how upsetting that is? For somebody to be harassing you for all this time? Go enjoy what birthday? I can't enjoy no birthday. The night is already over. I will enjoy my birthday tomorrow and next week.
Whoa, the begging come right behind this now. Listen to the begging. Listen to the begging, it's
when
coming.
This bunch of Negroes is talking, is making troubles. These non-emancipated Negroes are in trouble.
The begging come, people. The begging come.
Because I will enjoy my birthday next week. Me just thank God me live to see my birthday. That's it.
Live to see a 70th birthday or a 65.
My birthday is enjoying my birthday.
A 65th birthday or a 70th.
And I'm happy. The only people that are making me unhappy is the lying people on social media. The bullying and the harassment.
The lion? A lion or lying people? Or lion people. How was she say a while ago?
Where I was last year, where I am today is totally different thing. Don't you see what they did to me for the past 2 years? The amount of harassment and bullying. But at the time I didn't have no money to pursue a lawyer. Now I do have money to pursue a lawyer.
Last year you have ball with money having in your bank account.
So
and it you live off a kind of bad
don't you hear
nothing.
them all where you say, oh, she's just talking. She's not doing nothing. She's so broke.
You are broke. Come on, you are broke.
And you people go and support these people.
You are broke.
What kind of rubbish is that? Why are you writing emails? If I was going to leave, me leave long time. Thanks to everybody who is sending me email. Sending me birthday present, birthday gift. We hear me talk about that. Make sure understand the birthday gift. I should be having some I should be getting some super chat right now.
Make sure not send the birthday.
Look at you guys, come up here.
She will say
Look
she
at
not
me.
beg here.
I have been here for all these years.
Here shall compare now.
Because I dress up and look so nice.
Here I
Nobody
compare
wants
now.
to give me nothing. I bet you if it was some other platform, you'll be getting all kind of super chat. Even the enemy get super chat on your birthday. I don't get nothing. Because guess what? Because I'm always looking like I'm rich. I'm always looking nice. Nobody wants to give me nothing. But yet you people want me to come out here and sing and entertain and give you all kind of joke. But nobody at all want.
Marcia, how much live this you do now? Can you say you not come out here until after your birthday party? You know? How much live this you got now? 4 or 3? Because as since me come in, me see that one here, so I don't know if you do no more before that. Because and not too long me come in and say, alright, let me see what I go on, me buck up in this. And me could even wait for do it. So how much more should do people? Should do no more from there? Because she should not come back out till after her party, you know, but me telling you, you know, she can't hold that out. I told you. Bet you for some other people, other platform, the enemy wanna send super chat and all kind of sitting gonna give them for them birthday. These are the things where them jealous of. Because these are the things them sit and watch and talk about. Who telling you put on yourself in the position? It's the behavior you want to have out here on social media. You don't expect people to come out here and support you for the behavior you want to have? No. But at the same time, when you don't get the support there, you don't want to blame it on others, like others are the cause side for you not get the support. When you have the nail in a one hand and the hammer in a next one, and rest it on the body and they even realize say when you go so with the hammer, in a uno not drive the nail. You feel like a piece of board. When a uno drive the own nail in a uno coffin. Yes man. And then you blame other people.
To give me a little gift. So is that what you call support? You tell me now.
You just say you're not beg out here, you know. You're not beggar.
Is that what you call support?
And for you come out here and beg for super chat and money for gift for birthday. More and if I not beg that. Every beg spell the same way, Marcia. Every beg spell the same way. And your beg is even different.
Because you guys don't see the pain in me. You don't see nothing in me.
Oh! This is another part I want to highlight. How many times I've told you people? Don't watch Marcia smiling and going like she'll laugh off a we out here. Because she's okay, all and well. No. When she's feeling the pain inside, we know. We know the fire that is inside of you, Marcia. The pain you're feeling. Even when your son go and messed up himself, that he give your so-called, what you call, and you understand? Things to talk about. I know you grieve inside for that. But you just play a brave heart and come out here with a big smile and honor your, you know, your welding glasses and your wigs and stuff like that. I don't know how you do welding and have a synthetic wig. You know, you're not afraid it sparks and catch a fire upon your head. You understand? Me know you grieve when you come out here and say, oh, my son this and my son that and my son that. Me know you just have a thought that. To comfort yourself. But it's just the outside of you your comfort because deep in you, you're blazing like a fireman. So you don't have to come out here come tell me, Marcia, we know you feel pain inside. But if anybody out here even to be blamed, you have to blame yourself first. You have to blame yourself first. Because your behavior out here in social media is nothing normal. You might not the worst, but it's nothing normal. And if you give, you must can take. Because your day going come. And like me, you know, Marcia, I tell you every day, you know. when me born and them clean me up on something my mother say when she go a Jubilee, cause she there about high up, probably close to the top. And she said when she got the window fi go out and wrap me and me get like a sunlight for the first. When she look, she see about 2 drunk. And she don't know, but she see one of them come close and go with something and my shame tree that then go with that. When me grow up, me realize that my shame tree gone. And when she tell me that, me remember say the drunker then they gone with it. So there's not no one can come out here come tell me. Plus I am not a pretender. If you pretend like me is this or me is that and when you don't find out me is not. Me I want one little dirty boy draw be a little old dirty slippers on the roadside. Draw one little short, sometimes it tear up, me ganzi then hole and then tear up and all kind of sitting. So when you know about me in the street, I want to see me, I want to pass me in a car, I want to can't take me picture and go say, watch him, Lord him look dirty. No. You know, I go shame yourself because people are going to point and say, so wait, so this is something new? This is nothing new. So, unlike Uno we pretend to be somebody where Uno is not. So when that time they come on and get exposed, Uno going to feel some sort of way. Me go so boom now, I see 2 pictures circulate with me now. Somebody send out you 2 pictures me now. I walk up and down on the street side with one slippers. They come just say flip. I love post people about flip flop slippers. Flip flop, flip flop. Wanna feel like you not hurt me, I do me nothing. You not do me nothing at all. This a boy I cannot be hurt. Me well trained, I never trained by nobody but myself with the guidance of God. And me train myself to withstand any pressure. And from me live out 1980, me can live out any tough condition. Shabarangs tell you. From me live out 1980, me can live out any tough condition. Remember that. So, Uno, I go feel a sort of way when you don't get exposed in a phone.
So I must come out here and because I'm a person with a great personality, say what I got to say and keep it real. Oh, and I come out here looking nice and whatever. I tell the people they can't do what I do. My life is different. I am a single woman. I don't have no children. My son is a grown man.
You don't have children, but your son is a grown man. You don't have any babies. But you know, I see, Romy, you baby. If anything for happen, you have to take care of Romy.
So you don't need to be jealous of me.
Wow.
Why you trying? If I'm so broke.
Wow.
And I'm so this and I'm so that. Why are you so concerned about me? When somebody's poor, why are you trying to get? Why you people behaving like that for? You tell me. Why are you behaving like
honestly,
that?
I better just come out here and beg the people them say, boy, I do. Me I beg on them. I'm showing the white flag. But stop come out here come beg mercy and then I puff up your chest. Cause mercy out here beg, you know. And still I big up your chest.
Poor people like all the way you treat me. If I'm so poor and I'm broke and I'm so ugly and all of that, then that is bullying.
No, we know you're broke and all of the above what you say. But you not make it look so. So that's why we keep coming at you because we want you to prove to your own self and confess to yourself. Say you're broke. You're not the person you're pretending to be. That's what we want you to do. We want you to accept that. Confess to yourself. And be yourself. And stop come out here, come go on like you're better than us out here when we know you're even worse off than enough of we out here.
That is bullying. That's what you call that. That is what you call that. Hold on. What do you think? Because I don't have nobody, you people don't see nobody around me.
A lie. So I'm hold on. So I'm to your man. Eh? What I'm to the man your boss about to have links a yard and links abroad. What I'm to your family. What I'm to your brothers and your sisters. Your cousins and your aunts that live in Jamaica. You mean anybody? And if they get away your talk, you know say yeah, man have links abroad and links abroad. We don't know who you are deal with and who you associate with. And if you come a yard and if you go to Portland to go check that woman there, I know you alone a go because one phone call and you know who come with you. So how know you talk about you don't have nobody? Tell us Mercy, you come out here beg, you know. But it come back down, you know. You know, shame to come out here come say you wave the white flag. You beg the Mercy, but you push up your chest like you're tough. You know? Yeah. You can't withstand the pressure.
If you people are David, well, I'm Goliath.
You Goliath and a cry? I break down, you break down upon this video, you know.
Huh? You people want to bully me because you never see nobody around me.
That we don't see the man around you, we don't see his face, but we see him.
Because all these years, you people see me and you don't see nobody around me. I'm always by myself. Oh, so you're taking advantage of situation like you people think I'm a weak link. I'm not weak. If I was weak, I would have given up a long time ago. Look at the amount of you guys that are bullying me every day and talking bad about me. Do you think I care? No.
You do. You do, Marcia. That's why you're out here crying for mercy. You do care.
I go to church. You don't go to church. You don't remember nothing about God. Do you know about karma? You coming on social media fighting for women that don't even care nothing about you people. Coming on social media fighting for followers and you have nothing to give. You people don't have no talent. I am talented. You people don't have no talent. You don't have nothing to give on social media.
A Tyler Perry next star that no one do, full of talent and can't reach nowhere.
You people don't have nothing to
full
talk
of talent
about.
And can't reach nowhere.
Nothing to talk about.
Tyler Perry star that you no do and no not deal with her.
Nothing at all.
Give her respect. Put some respect for the Tyler Perry artist, actor. Name. Oh.
Using my content for all these years, making money, and I have the nerve to try to interfere with my job. What kind of rubbish is that?
Ask them, yeah, mass.
You tell me now. Huh? Using my content and streaming my content and talking about me. And I'm the one who's putting money. Since I haven't come live, you people live and numbers have dropped tremendously. Because since I left live, I'm giving you live. Facebook and YouTube is dead.
Wait a sec.
People are calling me.
Wait a sec, face. You see it? You say you're idiot. People are calling you. And you feel like say these people will call is with you. What are you doing out here? If Facebook and YouTube is as what you say, and these people are calling you, and when you come out here be ridiculed, them ridicule you according to you. You understand? Does these people mean you any good? You know, say it probably benefit them more when the people them come out here and take you for clown. And we come out here, come dissect your video them and show you. It look like a them it benefit Marcia. Them one the way I come call you, cause them get laugh. Them jawbone exercise. It give them therapy. That's why them want you out here, Marcia. Or you not talk about the people that say them glad all social media quiet for the couple of days. Where you're not out here. With your repeat and repo and your nonsense. Or you not talk about those people. There are so many people who say them glad he is not here. Because social media peaceful without you. I remember you're not the only one out here. But the people them glad for you take with yourself a couple of days. Because probably you're the more louder one than the rest. The other rest is more troublemaker, yes, but you're the more louder one out here. But are the people that call you miss you, man? I know we miss you, them. Because you do a lot for them. You give them therapy.
So how is it you're going to steal? How are you going to take away from me? And then you using my stuff?
Them a run a call you and you have to beg them to like your video them. Them nah give you a super chat. And your super chat turn on. So, me nah, boy, me don't know, you don't know sense, Marcia. You don't know sense.
You understand?
All of the people that run, if you run them and tell them go and go a movie and party.
What is wrong with you people?
Anyway,
You
people,
are behaving like a mental slave.
me not plan for going further.
Fighting against each other. You are the same group of people that sold out your own kind. I realize. The
amount of time you sell out Jamaica
from mental slavery
against other country and other
you people have
race.
not been emancipated yet.
Anyway, people, me not going further. Bless up on yourself and thanks for watching. I just take it as me telling her break down Marcia that man. Because she tell all the lie them and she come out here and expose herself, although we already assess the whole situation and know she tell lie. Me know she never done in Jamaica for 2 weeks. Cause me continue and say, oh, you can't show me 5 minutes what I want live. Say you're there Jamaica. 2, me know she never lose no job. And 3, she not no liar. What me say? No liar. So no make she come out and come full. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. I don't know if we're going to get 2 videos tomorrow, but stay tuned, anything is possible. We kind of have a little weather out here in Jamaica. And you don't know tomorrow or Thursday, you know. So what is to be will have to be. Want to know what to do, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. You know, so tomorrow night I'm gonna go live on Life is a Mission TV on TikTok. So I don't know, but me not promise you know. Play some music and chit chat. Yeah. So only just go follow me if you don't follow me yet on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and the backup channel on YouTube. Remember, if you don't subscribe, go and go subscribe if you don't want to see the jackfruit porridge. Jackfruit porridge. Blend with peanut, green plantain, and oats. Nice, yeah? Lord Jesus. Yes, man. And remember, go support the merge. Check out the website, charmsandtrend.shop. And the cash app is there. You ask her to get it. When you gift me music, give back to the needy. $ Charms and Trends. Alright? And go support the website and buy something off it. You can find the Instagram page, charm_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see over there, get it customized. Even at Speak My Mind merge, you can get it customized. Just drop in the DM if you want it customized to relate your information how you want it. And if you want anything you see there, as I say, you go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Go support me and buy a t-shirt, man. Support me and buy a cap. You can't sound and love me. See the whole part work that me I do, I go to Donald Trump, me I go to this, me I go to that. And no, me can't hear not say boy alright. Thank God for me little people that me know. And a little handful of my supporter them I support. You know why I come out and come telling you like T-Gal. My website blew up. It crashed. Eh? Like the Boeing 757. Eh? Come on, man. If I'm not half dozen now to step out and go buy 2 t-shirts over on the website, man. You know, to that one. Wednesday we are going on Thursday. By Sunday, me see if I'm not half dozen now, you know, step out and buy 2 t-shirts. $35 US now kill, you know. Come on, man. Run over on the website and go buy half dozen. Me I come out and come beg brawling. But me I exchange back something for when me I beg. And like Marcia, one super chat for birthday. Before so me come out and come say buy a dozen guns and me take off of the profit and go buy something for my birthday. But me now come tell us say beg or nothing. Yeah, man. I no pride, but I just know me that. And me now go on like say me now beg and me I beg like Marcia. You understand? Just be yourself, man. I'm out.